Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to download Anaconda, install it, and then launch Jupyter Notebook, which we will be used for our data analysis, as I had said in our previous video. Now let's go ahead and do that. And just to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. For that will enable me get you notified whenever I upload a video, because these are series of lessons that will get you more information and it keep your skills as well. Now into business. Now we are installing Anaconda, and I'm going to use Google Chrome for this case. Depending on the type of browser you're using, no problem. I will be using Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome, and on the search, kindly search download Anaconda. Now if you open it, the first link that comes is a link of anaconda.com to products distribution. So you open that link and it gets you to the Anaconda download page. Here, find and download the Windows installation file. It has a Windows logo. If you click on that download, it will automatically start downloading Anaconda for you. And for that case, for me, I had downloaded Anaconda and I have it on my storage. I would not download it again. I'll go straight to where I had stored it. For me, I have my Anaconda here. Not really. I have my Anaconda here. This is where the download was stored. So right click on the installation file and then click run as an administrator. It will come up and the installation wizard will come up, and you will be able to follow the steps that are laid within. It will ask you if you really want to install it, which you'll say yes, of course, because it's going to make some changes in your computer. Now here we have the installation setup wizard. It's a very simple one. You will just be able to click next, and again agree to the end user license agreement. Click agree, and here choose for all users. Choose install for all users. Click next, and it will tell you where do you want to store your installation files on your computer. Now I'll leave it as default and click next. And again, for me, I had installed Anaconda, so I will not press install, but you'll go ahead and press install and follow the instruction to the end until you hit finish. After clicking finish, I will close this and quit it as well, because I had installed it before. After clicking on finish, you'll have to launch your Anaconda navigator. This is how your landing page after the installation will look like. Now, as you can see, we have quite a number of applications in this navigator. These applications does different things now depending on what you want to do. For our case, just to mention, we even have R for lovers of R. R is here for you. You can use it at pleasure. We have our Jupyter notebook here, and as you can see, it's a web-based interactive computing notebook environment that you can use to edit and run human readable docs while describing the data analysis. So here I'd want us to go ahead and launch Jupyter notebook. So click on launch. So as you launch it, it will direct you to the Jupyter notebook page or platform, where we will be doing all our coding and all our syntax for the data that we'll be using. Now this one is the landing page for Jupyter notebook, And because we want to start from scratch, we will not use either of these because these are just folders and files. We will come to new. If you click new and choose Python 3, it will open a blank Jupyter notebook. Now, a blank Jupyter notebook will be helpful in running, as I had said, our codes and our coding. Now, this is where we write our codes, and I will tell you the sort of codes that we will be using. And again, I will be describing this interface in detail in our next video, and how to get data to this platform, and how to rename, how to rename our notebook, and start straight our data analysis. Otherwise, just to remind you that you need to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to get into the real data analysis using Jupyter notebook in our next video. Otherwise, thank you for now, and have a blessed time. Bye bye.